Hi, happy flowers. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be making rose petal soaps. It's a beautiful gift for anyone. To make this soap, we need rose petals. I am using artificial flowers, which I already have, and I am cutting the petals from my rose flowers. And rose petals are available in the shops too. Number 2, we need pour and melt glycerine soap. They are transparent and easy to melt. Take how many cubes you want and cut them into small pieces. Pour and melt soap will absorb moisture from the atmosphere. So once you make the soaps, you have to store them in an airtight container. Our soap and rose petals are ready. We need some essential oil to give a nice smell to the soap. Prepare a tray by covering it with a baking paper to dry the soap petals. We are ready to start now. Melt the glycerine soap in microwave or in the double boiler. I'm using a double boiler and you have to heat it in the low flame. Now my soap is almost melted. I'm adding some aroma oil in the soap. Take care not to boil the soap. It just have to melt. If you are using the microwave, keep it for 15 seconds first. Check if your soap is not melted, then keep it for another 15 seconds. Dip the rose petals one by one into the melted soap and keep it in the tray for drying. If your soap thickens, melt it again for a few seconds. My soap is already thickening, so I'm going to melt it again.
It smells so nice.
Our soap petals are ready to dry. Normally, they will dry it in 20 to 30 minutes. Keep them in an airtight container and you can use them in many ways. Impress your guests with these individual hand wash soaps. Use one petal for each hand wash and discard after the use. You can make small gift packs of 4 or 5 petals for your friends. I will show you how to pack them. Your friends would really love them. You can also pack 2 or 3 petals in a pack to keep it in your handbag. Wash your hands and stay healthy in this pandemic time. Take one pack in your handbag when you go out. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.